Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I bring for you Curly's hairstyle. Yes, I'm always here to share Curly's hairstyle, African girls hairstyle, natural hairstyle, how to style your hair if you want to look always, how to style your hair every day, every morning, always. Guys, so today I bring for you like a four different natural hairstyle. So guys, it's better to watch the video or to be patient so that you can find something good on your hair. If your first time to find this channel, don't forget subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hairstyle. I'm always here to share African hairstyle, black woman hairstyle, girls hairstyle. So guys, if you want to something to put on your hair, you just subscribe this channel. If you want to style your hair, you just check on my channel so that you can find something good on you. So you can see this is really so quick, nice and beautiful. If you don't want like a 4 hours, 6 hours, so you can use this. If you're in a hurry, you going somewhere, so you can use this hairstyle. It really makes you feel so elegant, makes you feel so cute and beautiful. It's really cute, nice and quick. It can help you so feel comfortable with this hair, guys. You can see she's really looking so elegant and beautiful. So I suggest to you, if you want something quick, you can use this. If you want something that makes you feel so comfortable, you can use this. So guys, you can see you can use it on birthday, party, you know. Look at this. It's really so beautiful. It's really so beautiful. Makes her feel so elegant. You can't see, guys. I hope you're going to like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're first time to find this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and other thing you can share. Actually, if you find something here you like it, you can share. So guys, even this one, it's really so quick. It's really so quick. It's really so quick and so beautiful. Like a teenager girls, you can use this hair, guys, the same way for school. You can use this hair for church. You can use this hair. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'm always here share with you different hairstyle for ladies, for black women, for girls in different countries. So guys, if you're looking something to put in your hair, you always hear, or you can check out my channel. I have other video about hairstyling, how to put curls on your hair. So guys, enjoy the video up to end. God bless you more. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hairstyle. Enjoy.